Hello kitties! Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. I have a kick butt recipe that is actually normally meant for Tuesdays, Taco Tuesday specifically, but I am introducing it to YouTube today on this beautiful fine day. I think everybody deserves a delicious and easy taco recipe in their life, if not multiple. I love fried avocado tacos. I actually have only had them once and they weren't gluten-free, and I totally sacrificed my celiac-ism and I was screwed for like 3 days, but it was so good. And there's something about avocado being fried that makes it taste kind of fishy, so it's almost like a mock fish taco. It's crazy. It's super easy to make. I just recommend using avocados that aren't really too ripe yet, that just are barely squishy, because they will cook while they're being fried. So kitties, let's jump right into it. And that is all we have to do, kitties. This recipe is super easy. I love frying anything, to be honest. You can keep your oil too. If you have any sort of tin that's non-recyclable, I would recommend pouring it in there, and if you know it's clean or if it's just needs to be strained out, you can always use it again. And trust me, it's better to use oil and reuse it than to constantly use more and to dump it anywhere. I hope you kitties enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned because I have new ones every single Wednesday, and I have a special one coming up next week that may or may not involve one of my family members who also loves vegan food. Have a beautiful day, kitties. Thank you for watching.